Welcome to the breathtaking province of British Columbia, a land where nature's grandeur unfolds on a truly epic scale. From the snow-capped peaks of the Coast Mountains to the rugged shores of the Pacific Ocean, British Columbia is a tapestry of diverse landscapes, each more captivating than the last. Join us, dear viewers, as we embark on an unforgettable journey through this Canadian paradise, exploring its vibrant cities, encountering its remarkable wildlife, and immersing ourselves in the raw beauty of its natural wonders. Our adventure awaits. British Columbia is a land of dramatic contrasts, a symphony of geographical wonders sculpted over millennia. Along the western edge of the province, the Pacific Ocean moderates the climate, creating a temperate haven where lush rainforests thrive. Here, in the shadow of towering mountains, lies Vancouver, a bustling metropolis that embraces its natural surroundings. Further inland, the landscape transforms into a tapestry of fertile valleys, shimmering lakes and arid deserts, each with its own unique character. The Okanagan Valley, home to the city of Kelowna, basks in sunshine, its vineyards and orchards a testament to the region's fertile soil. As we journey north, the terrain becomes increasingly rugged, dominated by the imposing peaks of the Coast Mountains and the Columbia Mountains. Here, amidst glaciers and alpine meadows, we find a different kind of beauty, one defined by raw power and untamed wilderness. British Columbia is a province that cherishes its natural heritage, a place where vast tracts of wilderness are protected within the boundaries of its many national and provincial parks. These parks are not just areas of land, they are sanctuaries for countless species of flora and fauna, offering a refuge from the encroaching urban world. On the rugged west coast, Pacific Rim National Park is a haven for marine life and a testament to the power of the Pacific Ocean. The park's diverse ecosystems range from lush rainforests to rocky shorelines, each teeming with life and natural beauty. Here, ancient rainforests meet the sea, their edges sculpted by crashing waves and relentless tides. The interplay between land and ocean creates a dynamic environment where the forest floor is nourished by the sea's mist. Further inland, Yoho National Park, nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, showcases the awe-inspiring beauty of glacial landscapes. The park is a geological wonder with towering peaks and deep valleys carved by ancient ice. Towering waterfalls cascade down sheer rock faces, their thunderous roar a reminder of nature's raw power. These waterfalls are fed by melting glaciers, their icy waters rushing down to nourish the valleys below. Glacier National Park, as its name suggests, is a realm of ice and stone, where glaciers carve their way through the landscape, leaving behind a legacy of sparkling lakes and U-shaped valleys. The park's rugged terrain is a testament to the slow, inexorable force of glacial movement. And in the southeast corner of the province, Kootenay National Park offers a glimpse into a world of hot springs, canyons, and towering peaks. The park's diverse landscapes provide a unique blend of geological features and natural beauty, a paradise for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. With its extensive network of trails, Kootenay National Park invites visitors to explore its scenic vistas and immerse themselves in the tranquility of nature. From the depths of the Pacific Ocean to the heights of the Coast Mountains, British Columbia teems with life, a testament to the diversity of its ecosystems. Along the rugged coastline, whales breach the surface of the water, their massive bodies a testament to the ocean's bounty. Humpback whales, grey whales, and even the mighty orcas, the apex predators of these waters, can be spotted on whale-watching tours, their presence a reminder of the ocean's power and mystery. Inland, amidst the towering trees of the rainforest, black bears forage for food, their presence a reminder that we are visitors in their domain. High above, bald eagles soar effortlessly on the thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below for prey. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, British Columbia's wildlife is a constant source of wonder and inspiration. For those who yearn for adventure, for the thrill of testing their limits amidst nature's grandeur, British Columbia is the ultimate playground. This vast and diverse province offers an array of outdoor activities that cater to every kind of adventurer, from the rugged mountain climber to the serene kayaker. Hikers can lose themselves for days on the legendary West Coast Trail, a rugged path that winds its way along the southwestern edge of Vancouver Island, offering breathtaking ocean views and challenging terrain. This trail is not just a hike, it's a journey through some of the most stunning coastal scenery in the world, where every step brings a new vista. skiers and snowboarders flock to Whistler Blackcomb, a world-renowned resort that boasts some of the finest powder snow on the planet. With over 8,000 acres of skiable terrain, it's a winter wonderland that attracts thrill-seekers from around the globe. Here, on slopes that seem to stretch to the horizon, adrenaline junkies can carve their own paths through the pristine white canvas. The sense of freedom and exhilaration is unmatched as they navigate the expansive snow-covered terrain. Kayakers can paddle through the sheltered waters of Clayoquot Sound, a UNESCO biosphere reserve, where ancient rainforests meet the sea, their kayaks gliding past seals basking on rocky islets and eagles perched high in the trees. This serene environment offers a unique perspective on the natural beauty of British Columbia. And for those who prefer a more leisurely pace, countless lakes and rivers offer ample opportunities for fishing, their waters teeming with trout, salmon and other freshwater species. Whether casting a line from a boat or wading into a tranquil stream, anglers can find their perfect spot to relax and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Just off the coast of mainland British Columbia lies Vancouver Island, a place of rugged beauty, charming towns, and a unique island culture. Victoria, the island's capital, exudes a certain old-world charm, its streets lined with Victorian-era architecture and its harbour bustling with activity. But it is the island's natural beauty that truly captivates the soul. Tofino, a small town on the island's west coast, is a mecca for surfers. Drawn by the legendary waves that crash onto Long Beach, here the Pacific Ocean unleashes its full fury, its waves a magnet for those who seek to ride the wild energy of the sea. But Vancouver Island is also a place of tranquility. Ancient rainforests, their moss-draped trees reaching for the sky, offer a sanctuary for contemplation and a reminder of the power of nature's slow, steady growth. British Columbia is renowned for its forests, vast expanses of green that blanket much of the province. These forests are not just a sight to behold, but are also a crucial part of the region's identity and natural heritage. The temperate rainforests of the Pacific coast are some of the most productive ecosystems on Earth, their towering trees, some over 1,000 years old, standing as silent sentinels to the passage of time. These ancient giants have witnessed centuries of change, yet they remain steadfast, providing shelter and sustenance to countless species. Here, in the cool, damp air, mosses and lichens drape the trees in emerald hues, creating a scene of otherworldly beauty. The forest floor is a tapestry of life, with ferns and undergrowth thriving in the moist environment, adding layers of green to this vibrant ecosystem. Further north, along the province's central coast, lies the Great Bear Rainforest, the largest intact temperate rainforest on Earth. This vast wilderness is a sanctuary for wildlife and a testament to the power of nature's resilience. This ecological treasure is home to the elusive spirit bear, a rare subspecies of black bear with a creamy white coat, a creature of myth and legend that embodies the spirit of this wild and pristine region. The spirit bear is a symbol of the delicate balance that exists within these ancient forests. These forests are not just beautiful, they are vital to the health of our planet, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and helping to regulate global climate patterns. Their role in carbon sequestration is crucial in the fight against climate change, making their preservation more important than ever. For millennia, the indigenous peoples of British Columbia have lived in harmony with the land, their cultures deeply intertwined with the natural world. Their art, stories and traditions reflect a deep respect for the environment and a profound understanding of the delicate balance of nature. Visitors to British Columbia have the privilege of learning about these rich cultures through a variety of means. Museums and cultural centres offer insights into the history, art and traditions of the province's First Nations. Guided tours, often led by Indigenous guides, provide a more immersive experience, allowing visitors to connect with the land and its people on a deeper level. And for those who seek a truly authentic encounter, attending a traditional ceremony or performance is an unforgettable experience, a chance to witness the power and beauty of these ancient cultures firsthand. As our journey through the natural wonders of British Columbia draws to a close, we hope you feel a sense of awe and inspiration. This province, with its diverse landscapes, abundant wildlife and rich cultural heritage, is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. But it is also a reminder of our responsibility to protect these precious places, not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. By treading lightly on the land, by supporting sustainable practices and by advocating for the preservation of wild spaces, we can ensure that British Columbia's natural wonders continue to inspire and amaze for all time.